Hi y'all, just doing a real quick video on some quick dinner ideas. So as always, I like to have a meat, a starch, vegetable, and a bean. Now for the chicken, we have chicken breast, a pound of chicken breast, and I have it with some honey barbecue sauce. And so that's what it is. And then I already have seasoned the chicken before with my, three ingredients, my paprika, onion powder, and garlic powder. And then here we have some vegetables here. In the vegetables, we have Brussels sprouts, carrots, and green beans all mixed together. And then here we have some navy beans. And the juice came from the chicken. You see the juice in there? That came from the chicken because when I have the chicken, I save the juice with it and I bag it up that way. And then here's some mashed potatoes. And these are mashed potatoes that are from the box. I was lazy. I went ahead and, did it this way. But, whatever works. You can always use fresh potatoes. Remember, these are just ideas of what you can make for dinner. So anyway, we have barbecue chicken with vegetables of Brussels sprouts, green beans, and carrots with some navy beans and some mashed potatoes. All right. And here it is plated up. There's my mom's plate right there. But not too bad, right? So these are just some quick ideas that you can be able to make for dinner. Good, nice, healthy meal. Thank you so much for watching. You can always do more, less, or, portion however you want to. These are just ideas of what you can make. Thank you for watching. Take care, and definitely God bless.